What did your mother say?
She didn't let me enter home. Actually, there is
Then
another way to enter washroom directly.
Acha,
Yeah,
from the back.
from back, right?
Oh my god. Hello, hi Aditya.
Hi, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, Aditya. Yes. How are you doing? How is your health?
I'm doing great. How are you?
I'm doing good. All right. So we are going to talk about the topic that is partying. I think. What is it? Let's go and party tonight. That's the that's the topic. But
It's though I'm not a party person, but it's
yeah.
perfect coincidence that I have got this topic for discussion. It's my birthday
Why?
today.
Today is your birthday?
Yes.
Yay! Happy birthday! I'm so
Thank you so
happy.
much.
Yes, many, many, many happy returns of the day.
Thank
And
you so
what
much.
are you doing today? Tell me about that.
Actually nothing special because there is my exam tomorrow. So
Okay.
yeah, but yeah, I can enjoy my food. That's it. That's all I can do.
Favorite cake flavor?
Black Forest for sure. Why? You don't like it?
Bored. I'm bored with Black Forest.
I love it. I don't like those fancy flavors like pineapple and
I
blah blah.
hate fruit flavors. I
Same
like
here.
chocolates, but currently I'm loving the coffee flavor. Loving it.
Yeah,
Loving.
me too. Even I love coffee flavored ice cream.
Yes.
I always
You
prefer
put
coffee walnut when I go to naturals.
yes, whenever there is like coffee, I love it. I love coffee.
Even choco truffle is nice flavor.
Chocolate
It
waffle is
tastes
nice.
nice.
A pure and there is another Belgium chocolate one thing
Belgium
is there.
chocolate,
That
yes.
is also nice. Yay. Oh, so happy. Good.
And I have only one session today and with you. It's with you.
Yay! And then you can stop studying. Are you going to study? No, right? Today?
I have to study.
No. Yes. When do you have the exam? Like tomorrow? When?
In the after, actually in the evening. The reporting time is 4 o'clock, but I think exam will start at 5 and it will get finished at 6 maybe.
Weird exam timing, isn't it?
No, it's
No?
it's regular timing. It's third shift
Really?
in a day.
Okay. I have never like given an exam so late. I've
Okay.
done in the second shift, but never third.
Yeah, for me
Okay.
also most probably timing gets like in the morning or afternoon. But
Hmm,
for I think second time, it my exam is in afternoon or in the evening.
in the evening. Okay,
Mhm.
so we'll start the session with an exemplary. Two
Okay.
topics, again, very weird topics. Number one, how to annoy the passenger who is sitting next to you on a flight. On a
Okay.
flight. How to
Mhm.
annoy a passenger who's sitting next to you on a flight. Second one, dessert should always be served before the dinner.
Sorry, I couldn't hear the second topic.
Dessert should always be served before the dinner.
Okay. Let me just close the door. Okay, it's perfect now.
Okay.
I think I will go for the first one because
How to,
yeah, I have traveled a lot by bus and obviously by flights also. I haven't.
have you annoyed someone?
Nope, not me, but
But you got annoyed.
co-passengers annoy us for sure. There are multiple ways to annoy your co-passenger. Actually,
Yeah,
multiple ways.
yeah, I am so eager to hear those.
Okay, so
Yeah, you can
yeah,
start.
surprisingly, I haven't traveled much by train. and that's I think the reason of my train phobia,
Hmm.
I can say. Okay,
Hmm.
yeah, about the subject, about the topic.
Hmm.
Uh, Once I was traveling by bus and my stop was there, so I was on the stairs. Okay,
Hmm.
stairs, and one
Of the
lady.
bus. You were on the stairs of the bus. Oh.
Yes, and the
About to
lady
get
was
down.
sorry.
About to get down.
Yes, and the lady was sitting just on my left side, but she was on comparatively higher level than me
Hmm.
as I
Hmm.
was on stairs.
Hmm. Hmm.
And we just completed ghat section, big ghat section, and the stop was right next to the ghat section. So I don't know, everything was normal, literally everything, but all of a sudden
Hmm.
I just the moment just before I opened the door, she vomited on my pants. Literally, she vomited. I was like,
My
what
God.
can I do now? And what should I do?
My, oh my God. And then what did you do after that? My God.
I just borrowed bucket of water from staff and
Ew.
just temporarily washed my pant and rushed to home. Like
My God.
I have to take a
What did your
bath.
mother say? What did your mother say?
She didn't let me enter home. Actually, there is
Then
another way to enter washroom directly.
Achha,
Yeah,
from the back.
from back, right.
Oh my God.
So
Okay.
that was weird and dirtiest um,
So
feeling
this is not
actually.
annoying. This is not
Annoying, yeah,
annoying.
right.
It
If we talk about annoying, then there is most common practice to annoy your co-passenger is sharing your handrest
hmm,
on flights as well as on in the bus.
guilty.
If you are on aisle seat, then it's perfectly fine. You can have your own handrest for your right hand or left hand.
Hmm.
But if you are in the middle or if you are on the window seat, then it's not going to be comfortable at all for you.
Okay.
And most of the times, old people generally they literally fight for that one handrest. Like it's mine. I have to put my hand.
The worst situation that you face, I think the people who are sitting in the middle, like the middle,
Actually,
hate
they
that
don't
seat.
give handrest.
Previously when I used to like when I first started traveling by flights, I
Mhm.
love the window seats. I will die for the window seat. Nowadays, I love the aisle seat. I'm in love with the. I'm like, give me the passenger. Like worst seat, I'll take it. I'll take no issues. I
There
don't
are
want to
actually
stay.
many advantages of getting aisle seat, but people don't understand.
I do. I just you can just get up without
Yeah,
disturbing anyone.
actually,
It's so irritating to disturb people.
right.
Suppose if you are traveling alone and you have the window seat, very good. But what will you, what will you do with it? What will you do
Yeah,
with it?
I have one experience to share. I was traveling from Bangalore to Pune or Mumbai.
Mm.
I don't remember exactly by flight, and I was on aisle seat, and in the middle seat there was handicapped old lady. Okay,
Oh my
yeah.
God.
So she was there. I was having no problem with it, but
Mm.
in that journey of like 1.5 hour, she got up for washroom for like 5 to 6 times.
So you had to just move and then come back,
Yes,
move and then come back.
right.
Okay, another thing I would like to share. Same situation. I was sitting. So this is more annoying. Like I was sitting in the middle and I was trying my level best not to use the washroom because I hate bothering people. I hate bothering people. Like,
Mhm.
can you please get? Oh, it's just so irritating for me. And like, and I see that irritation on that. person's feeling like again she has. I'm so sorry. I need to use the washroom. And okay, so you don't know when you're going to have to go to the washroom, right? You don't know. It's not in your
Right.
control. Physically not
Mm-hmm.
possible. And I don't have a lot of fluids if I'm on a journey, train,
Mm-hmm.
bus, flights, whatever.
Mm-hmm.
So I just had to, and there were three things. First, I had to tell him that please get up. Can you please get up? I had to go. And third, okay. And the problem is, I'm generally very, whenever I'm talking to someone who's very close to me, I don't shout, specifically in a public space. Like,
Okay.
can you please wait? I can't do that. So I was, the voice was so low, he could not hear me. So I had to say that two, three times.
Pardon. Okay.
Yeah. 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 So what is that? Second thing, so there was a light going on, so I should not be getting up at
Okay.
that point. Seatbelt
Mm-hmm.
time that light was
Right.
on. So when I got up, the people, the air hostesses, they were telling me, "Ma'am, you have to sit down. Why are you-" I'm like, I need to go. Otherwise, this is going to be a huge issue here. Which one would you like? So, so, but really bad. I don't want to, but what to do? So I had to use the washroom. And
Mm-hmm.
the moment I came back, the seatbelt sign was off. So they were moving around with the cart.
Okay.
Huge problem. Why? Because if they will move with the cart, then how will you get to your
Right.
seat?
Right. And you have to wait for
So
them to
I was just
pass the car.
waiting. Like I'm like wait, like standing here again. I'll feel thirsty. Again, I'll feel thirsty. Again, I have to wake him up. It was so irritating, and it's just flights
Mm-hmm.
are not very I don't like flight journey, but
I love flight journeys.
why? Why do you like it?
First of all, it's my passion, and I love airplanes.
I love airplanes too. I love airplanes when it flies. I like it. I like the time thing. So it takes very short time
Mm.
to go from one place to another. What I don't like is the flights have become so common that people have lost all the interest and respect for it, and they like doing whatever they want on flights. It's just
Actually,
it has become a bus. It has become.
and yeah, some low cost airlines have actually become
It is
bus.
not low cost. It's pretty costly. Flights are not very, you know, cheap. They are costly, but
Mm,
people are
yeah,
a lot have a lot
but
of poor
but
people
generally
like.
these Indigo, AirAsia,
Mm,
um, call them as low cost airlines, right?
mm.
But yeah,
Why?
it doesn't make sense.
Why do you call yourself like that? Another
Yeah,
flight I love, which is your favorite airline?
mine.
Yes.
So far I have traveled with AirAsia, Go Air, now Go First, and Indigo.
Mm.
So for sure Indigo, no doubt in that.
Okay. Me too. I have done Go Air, Go Fast. That one. Air Asia, Indigo. Another one is SpiceJet.
Price it.
Worst. Worst is
Okay.
SpiceJet. Why? I'll tell you later.
Mm-hmm.
Fifth one is Vistara, which I
Vistara
love.
is great airline.
So good. It's
Actually
so
good.
good.
Mhm.
It is very good. And the price is little high, not that much high, but little
Mm-hmm.
high.
Right.
But it is very good. I
Mm-hmm.
mean, why I don't like SpiceJet? Because first of all, flight journey is not for 2 hours. It's for a long time because you have to leave home so early,
Right.
and then you have to go through all the pain of almost taking off your clothes in front of everyone, and then yes, and then you have to go like you have to sit there and then pay, I don't know, 2 3 times more for the same
Mhm.
coffee that you don't like at all.
Right.
All those things apart. So I had a flight around 8, I think.
Mhm.
So I left home around 5 because it takes 1 hour.
Okay.
Um, Almost 1 hour. Mm. So I went there. I was just at first of all the gate, not the gate. Uh, okay. So I went there around 8, and they said that the flight is going to be delayed for like
Okay.
2 hours.
Mhm.
So, and I was traveling alone. So it's very boring, first of all.
Mhm.
Mm, so I was just waiting in the airport, and then it kept on delaying. They kept on delaying the
It
flight.
happens with SpiceJet a lot times. Like they are, I can't say they are not punctual, but sometimes they are not.
I don't understand. Other people are doing the same thing. What is wrong with their airline? Like what? When I got the flight, I was waiting there from 6. I boarded the flight around 2 a.m.
Oh,
Painful.
nice.
Painful. I almost reached my home walking through the walkways because the gate was like the last one. There is no other gates. So
Right.
I walked, I don't know how many kilometers with my bag. It was
Mhm.
so irritating. And then you want to sleep, and then you can't sleep because you don't know what they will say.
Right.
And every 1 hour, my father will call me and ask, "Don't sleep, the flight will go." I'm like, "Go away."
Mhm.
It's so irritating
Yeah,
journey.
it
You
happens.
know,
Like uh, currently, I must say Vistara and Indigo are the best.
yeah. But
And
Indigo is looting you. If you get into the plane, they will loot you. They will take all the money that you have.
mm,
So,
yeah,
and
obviously,
that's
if
so,
we buy food or beverages on flight, then for sure they will loot you.
yeah, they'll take all the money. Okay. All right, Aditya, I want you to enjoy your birthday. Please do enjoy your birthday. Please
Mhm.
don't all the time think about your exams. Do think about it in the second half of the day. At least enjoy the day. All right?
Yes, for sure.
Great. Happy birthday again. I'm so,
Thank
so
you
happy
so
that I
much.
see you today. Of
Thank
course.
you so much.
Stay happy and stay blessed always. All right?
Thank you so
Okay.
much and great
Of
day.
course. Of
Bye
course.
bye.